Watch me set up this Showit template and start designing the homepage for this website in 20x speed. We're going to start out by choosing the template itself. We're going to use the Claire Scott template for this one, and then we're going to go in and set up our design settings. On the left, you can see that I've got my color palette selected and my font selection. Next, we're going to go ahead and add all of our photos in. I've already got them resized and ready to go, so I can just drag and drop them into my media library. And then we'll go ahead and start updating the copy. I've got the copy all written in a separate Word document. This makes it so much easier for me as I start designing. I can go in and tweak and add the copy pretty quickly and easily. All of my templates are designed to match a set copywriting framework, so it's easy to input all of your copy directly into your template pretty quickly and easily. Now you can see I am changing the design of these buttons just a little bit to match this design, this client a little bit better. And I'm using the copy and special paste feature, which is copy or Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+Shift+V to paste the styling of an element from one to another. Moving into the next section here, I'm changing the colors and I'm adding a background texture. I'm just setting this texture image to be at 5% so that I get that subtle bit of texture on it. I'm looking for other pieces that I want to pull into this template so that it matches better. I've got testimonials, but they don't have photos to go with it. So I'm making sure that I'm using the layout that best fits for this client. And then we're going to go in and update all of our menus, our header, our footer, and our pop-up menu. This design has this pop-up scheduler. And then once I'm feeling pretty happy with the design overall, I'm going to go into the mobile site and start editing there. It's a very good idea to edit the mobile as you go, but I often end up doing it second after the desktop is kind of where I want it. And I'm using split merge so that I can set the font sizes or fonts to be different from desktop to mobile, or I can match them to be the same. And then again, in this section, using that special paste to make sure that everything matches, and then using the distribute function to make sure that everything is spaced evenly. So as a reminder, here is the template we started with, the Claire Scott template, just scrolling through real quick so you can get a peek. And then less than an hour later, here is where we've landed with our design for now. I'm going to send it over to the client and get some feedback, see what changes she wants made, if it's fitting with her vision for now. But just kind of scrolling through, you can see we do need updated photos for this section. Still a lot to work on, but just to show you, that was about an hour's worth of work that I was able to get this page built in.